SOLIDWORKS Manage 2022 introduces convenient new ways to access, share, and document your designs. New for this release is the ability to create HTML-formatted notifications. These notifications can be visually customized to highlight key information for users. Also new is the ability to incorporate web links, allowing users to easily access the record in the Manage web portal. This ECO is requesting the tank supplier assigned in the bill of material be reviewed and updated to the preferred vendor. New for 2022 is the ability to create saved filters for the BOM. These filters can be user-specific or saved for enterprise use. Collaboration with others can expedite problem resolution. New is the ability to share the BOM by email or by link. Applied filters are honored, and reference columns can be selected for edit. This shared BOM allows key stakeholders the ability to edit the bill of material without having access to SOLIDWORKS Manage. Once edits are saved, these changes are reflected in the original record. Dashboards can also take advantage of the new web link capability, making it easy for users like project managers to access key projects while on the road. This design task has been marked completed, but needs to be revisited. New for 2022 is the ability to uncomplete a task, allowing the assignee to finish any loose ends. For SOLIDWORKS users, the Manage add-in has many new enhancements. A tab has been added, allowing users to see their assigned tasks, and a convenient filter option filters only tasks that have SOLIDWORKS files connected to them. Familiar tools like the task board are also available, with the added ability to create new tasks directly from the board. From the structure view, selecting a specific component now shows any comments that have been made on the record, allowing users to see feedback associated with the design. New in 2022 is support for top-down bill of material design. This assembly has 2 items manually added to the BOM, each with a quantity of 2. These 2 files now show up in a dedicated tab called Manually Added Files, allowing easy access for them to be placed in the assembly model. Once added, they turn red and can be removed from the list. Uniquely serializing components provides important traceability, and capturing uniquely serialized components as linked records is a powerful capability of Manage. New for 2022 is the ability to reference the linked record BOM directly on the drawing. Additionally, these linked records are now just a right mouse button click away, providing quick access to supporting documentation like the Certificate of Conformance. New in 2022 is the Manage add-in for Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This add-in provides convenient access to common Manage commands. Document properties like the description of this Word document are easily added. In addition to referencing the active document properties, you can also access the properties from a completely different record, saving time and ensuring accuracy. With new ways to access, share, and document your designs, SOLIDWORKS Manage 2022 takes the management of your product data to the next level.